Also guys, I forgot to film an introduction for today's vlog. It's like I am vlogging for the first time after such a long time. It's like I almost don't know how to vlog, bringing you around with me about going about my day. But I probably think it's going to be a very long day and don't know how much of the vlog is going to be edited out or if I want to include it. If you want to watch what I do in a day in December, then please keep on watching. And if you're watching me in this video for the first time, hi, hello, my name is Shanti. I'm from Singapore. I'm a Tamil beauty blogger, and I usually create content that's revolving around lifestyle, beauty product reviews and makeup tutorials, but today it's going to be a vlog. If you like this kind of content, then don't forget to consider subscribing to my channel. Just click on the red button right down this video and make sure to click on the bell icon next to it, just so that you'll be updated whenever new videos or vlogs like this go up on my channel. So let's get into the vlog. Hi guys, now we're at came here for brunch, so decided on maybe try out some cakes here. So I ordered a artisan club sandwich. So this is what we're having. I'm having the artisan sandwich, followed by a latte. Just gonna put my phone aside. So now we're actually at Kinokuniya looking for some books that are filled with activity. And this is how it actually looks like Kinokuniya. It's been quite some time since I last came here. So yeah, it's just filled with books.
And then my last question is,
some more books. And for my outfit, this is actually quite new. This is an outfit that I got, the shirt top. I got from Vera Moda, and it's just priced at 199 rupees. And I actually intended to pair it with a pair of palazzo pants that I got from Twin Birds. I believe it's around 799 rupees, so you can actually create an outfit under 2,500 rupees, a complete outfit. The only reason why I switched out the pants was because I was starting to look like a dementor. There was a lot of, scallop, this billowy top that was happening in that situation. So that's why I switched to something a little bit more tapered, like this pair of pants. I'll insert a picture where you can actually see how the complete outfit looks like. So yeah, I spend more money on stationery, books and makeup. Hey guys, we just got back home after a day of running errands, a lot of errands to do today. So we're back home and I've already got change, and I'll probably be, maybe I should speak in Tamil. இப்போதான் நம்ம வீட்டுக்கு திரும்பணும். ஸோ ஒரு நாள் முழுக்க வெளியே இருந்ததுக்கப்புறம் பல வேலை இருந்தது செஞ்சு முடிக்கிறதுக்கு. And thank you so much for your support. உங்கள் ஆதரவுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. நான் சென்னையில் இருந்தப்போ நிறைய பேர் ஒரு கையளவு கையளவு என்னை வந்து நீங்கள் சந்திச்சிங்க, எனக்கு ரொம்ப சந்தோஷமாக இருந்தது. கண்டிப்பாக திரும்பவும் நான் கண்டிப்பாக சென்னைக்கு நான் திரும்புவேன். சப்சிக்வெண்ட்லி நான் திரும்ப வரும்போது இன்னும் அடிக்கடி நம்ம சந்திக்கிறதுக்கு வாய்ப்புகள் வந்து நாம் கலந்துரையாடி அரேஞ்ச்மெண்ட் ஏதாவது ஒரு ஏற்பாடு செய்யலாம். எப்போதுமே கேட்ட கேள்வி வந்து நான் இதுக்கு முன்னாடி அதாவது 2 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி நான் அதிகமாக வீடியோஸ் பதிவேற்றம் பண்ணுவேன். இப்போ 2-3 வருஷ காலமாக எனக்கு வந்து வீடியோஸ் வந்து அதிகமாக நான் இப்போ யூடியூப்பில் பதிவேற்றம் பண்ணுறதில்ல. ஸோ அதை பற்றிய கேள்வி வந்து நிறைய பேர் கேட்டிருந்தாங்க. அதுக்கு பதில் எனக்கு எப்படி சொல்கிறதுன்னு தெரியல. ஏன்னா 3 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி இருந்த வியூவர்ஷிப், அதாவது வியூ கவுண்ட்ஸ், அது வந்து லைக் சப்ஸ்கிரைபர்ஸ். ஓகே, இப்போ யூடியூப்பில் வந்து நீங்கள் ஒரு சேனல் வச்சுருக்கீங்கன்னா உங்கள் சேனல் இருக்குது, உங்களுக்கு வியூஸ் இருக்குது, வியூஸை பார்க்குற சப்ஸ்கிரைபர்ஸ் இருக்காங்க, நான் சப்ஸ்கிரைபர்ஸும் இருக்காங்க. ஸோ ஒரு காலகட்டத்தில் சப்ஸ்கிரைபர்ஸ் வந்து அதிகரிச்சுக்கிட்டே போனாங்க, ஆனால் வியூஸ் அதிகமாக வரல. ஸோ அது வந்து டிஸ்ப்ரொபோர்ஷனலாக இருந்தது வந்து எனக்கு ஒரு புரியாத புதிராக இருந்தது. அதுவும் லைக் அதுக்கு மேலே பார்க்குறவங்க கமெண்ட் பண்ண மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க, இல்லாட்டி லைக் பண்ண மாட்டேங்கிறாங்க. எது பிடிச்சிருக்கு, எது பிடிக்கல, எதனால் பிடிச்சிருக்குன்னு ஒரு மாதிரியான இன்ட்ராக்ஷன், அதாவது கலந்துரையாடல் வியூவர்ஸ் கிட்டேருந்து வரது இல்லாதனால எனக்கு என்ன மாதிரியான ஒரு வீடியோ பதிவேற்றம் செய்யணும்னு எனக்கு வந்து ஒரு புரியாத புதிர் மாதிரி ஒரு மாதிரியான காலகட்டத்தில் வந்து இந்த 3 வருஷமாக இருந்தது. ஆனால் சென்னைக்கு போனதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் எனக்கு தெரிய வந்தது, நிறையா பேர் நீங்கள் என்னோடய வீடியோஸை பார்க்குறீங்கன்னு. ஆனால் இப்போ என்ன நடக்குதுன்னா, இப்போ அதிகமான கான்டென்ட் க்ரியேட்டர்ஸ் இப்போ வந்து இன்ஸ்டாகிராமில் தான் அதிகமாக இருக்காங்க. இப்போ சமீப காலகட்டத்தில் இந்த வருஷம் எனக்கு வந்து ஒரு மாதிரியான டிஸ்கம்ஃபர்ட் ஏற்பட்டுச்சு. நிறையா கமெண்ட்ஸ், ஃபீட்பேக், கிரிட்டிசிசம்னு சொல்லலாம். ஒரு உதாரணத்துக்கு என்னோட முடி ரொம்ப ஃப்ரீஸியாக இருக்கிறது வந்து பலருக்கும் பிடிக்கிறது இல்லை. என்னோட காலனி, நான் போடுற மாதிரி ஷூஸ், அது வந்து ஒரு இன்ஃப்ளூயன்சர் மாதிரி இல்லை. இப்போ ஆங்கிலத்திலேயே பேசுகிறேன். ஸோ வாட் இஸ் எக்ஸ்பெக்டட் ஆஃப் மீ as a beauty influencer or a lifestyle influencer was that I am not keeping up the standards of a regular influencer that you see on a social media platform, and the kind of lifestyle that I lead, the kind of clothes that I style, you preferably would want to see the whole 9 yards with perfect hair and perfect shoes and the perfect shorts, and that was really getting to me. I just felt like it put me in a very uncomfortable, compromising situation where I felt very much outside of my comfort zone. I was doing something that I was not like meeting your requirements that are coming in, and that got me very frustrated and really question myself about the kind of content that I'm creating. And there was earlier this year there was a long DM from someone who I had no idea on Instagram, saying about how I'm flashing like big brands that may not be affordable to some women in different countries, and they are there to work, and they're from small villages, and it really makes them want to be like the image that we create on social media platform, to the point where they are willing to flex their moral values just so that they can flaunt or somewhat mimic the kind of lifestyles that we are portraying on social media platforms. Like the clothes that are often seen on influencers are of a very high-end brand. I personally don't agree to it. If you have been following me, you would definitely and probably know that I style my outfits again and again and again, because for me clothings are very personal, and I know I do get a lot of heat on that also, saying that I wear the same clothes again and again, and I personally feel that there's nothing wrong. And another thing is that my hair really creeps the people out on Instagram who wants to give me constructive criticism. Go get your hair fixed. You're always wearing the same makeup, you're always sticking to neutral lipsticks. This is how I am. Like me for how I am. The unique thing about me is there won't be anyone else like me. Take me for how I am, and I understand that it's coming from a place of good intention. There's no malice or ill intention in the mix, but it really put me in a very uncomfortable situation. There were nights I actually had lost sleep because some of the feedback was quite was not harsh, but it got me thinking, like, if I go overboard and dress really over the top and have everything on point is what everyone wants to see on social media, and I felt very uncomfortable. And it did receive a lot more likes and comments, but it really made me question about what was I trying to prove. Like, I can't be a real life size Barbie. I have hair. Everyone has hair. When there's hair, there's texture. When there's humidity and difference in moisture levels in the air, there's going to be frizz. And if there's no frizz, I'm not even sure if that's real hair on sitting on someone's head. And you know, not getting nail polish is a personal choice. I eat with my hands, and I do get a lot of feedback on this as well. Why you're not wearing nail polish? Why you're not wearing high heels? And if you've been following me, you probably would have noticed that I had actually gone down in my weight because it was really getting to me. I really don't know what is the purpose if I'm not going to help someone feel better about themselves. And everything that I know, there's a lot of product info, there's a lot of overload on social media. I do get it. And someone actually asked me why I had said that on my Instagram story, that it frightens me that when I see women at a very young age in their school uniforms browsing through Sephora, because unfortunately I had overheard a conversation where this girl is actually explaining about how she is so embarrassed about walking into a Guardian or Watson's pharmacy and shopping for a L'Oreal or a Maybelline product. She would rather starve, and this group of girls would rather pool their money for a high-end foundation. And I never want to impose something or a product or a service or a lifestyle choice to you guys. I definitely give myself some time to try the product out, and if it really impresses me, that's when I actually sit down to make a product review, guys. And till this date, I still enjoy using my really affordable products. Of course, there are some nice products that are of a higher price tag, but that's not the main point. I always try to have a good mix of drugstore friendly, wallet friendly price points, as well as, I also can't help not being able to not take a dip into Sephora. Like, for example, this costs under $7 or $8, and this definitely comes with a steep price tag of under $40. But you see, I've been using it for the whole of this year, and I've just made a dent, and there's still a lot more product to get through. So when I make a product review that I love this product and I love this product as well, it is actually coming from a place where I've actually tried and tested, and I'm telling you that it's, whether it's worth it or not. Can you see what I'm trying to explain here? And it got me really worried that this DM from this person online saying that you are flashing yourself with a very expensive handbag, and this person and these girls who are coming from villages to work in cities, they also want to afford what what you're showing on Instagram. And please try not to compare one influencer against another. We come from different social economic backgrounds. And even today, and I was sitting down at Paris Baguette for a cup of afternoon drink, and I remember when I started working, I would not be able to step into Takashimaya, Neon Shopping Center, or Wisma Atria. I would not be able to afford an afternoon drink at Paris Baguette. Back in the day, there was only Coffee Bean. I think Starbucks came way much later. I would not be able to afford a drink at Coffee Bean. And I'm serious when I tell you this. When I started working, a big treat for me, like maybe once a month or once in every 3 weeks, is having a Yakun Kaya toast, Kaya butter. That is a big treat for me. And the only afternoon snack I would be able to afford when I started working was an old chunky curry or curry puff. So this, just to let you know that I do not come from a family where we swim in money, or like we came from a very humble. I really had no idea where that was coming from. So yeah, I probably should be ending this vlog, and I should probably be removing all of my makeup and getting ready to sleep. I might edit this out, I don't know. But anyways, if you enjoy watching this vlog, all you have to do is just give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're watching me in this vlog for the first time and you like my content, then please do consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. All that will be needed from you is to click on the subscribe button right down this video, hit on the red button, and make sure to click on the bell icon next to it, just so that you'll be updated and notified whenever new videos or vlogs like this go up on my channel. And I shall catch you very soon in my next video.